I'm Kelton, and this is Luca, and we are some brothers that like to do adventures together, and we live in Southern Oregon, and we are going camping, and it's raining out, and we're going up in elevation. It's going to be cold, and this is our premiere on YouTube, so there you go. You may have not been able to tell because we're such professionals, but it's actually our first one. Getting ready. Cliff bars, peanut noodles, camera, protein camera. Wow, that's a little bit heavy. Hey, baby. It's starting to rain. I'm not excited for my feet to be soaked. Also, look at this cool auto deploy umbrella. Sick. Okay, my feet are gonna be soaked before we get there. So we need to get a fire going. It's just not gonna happen. Hi ho. Water. Hi ho. Ooh, off to camp we go. It's gonna be nipply. Wow, that's so pretty, dude. Dang. Look at that. Yeah, PNW. Wow. That was pretty. That's more water than I've ever seen. That's epic. Wow. Wow. That looks epic. Pretty neat. That's straight up and down, baby. Like straight up and down. Oh, geez. Yeah. Wow. That is very straight up and down. Look at that. I don't know how far that is. Maybe like 100 feet? 120? Pretty far. Yeah, it's a ways. Ooh, dude. That looks sick. Dang. Hey, Kelton, how's the camp looking? Looking pretty good. This is the spot. Nice cliff face over here. Off that way. Pretty decent view, I'd say. Pretty big cliff, too. And then our tent and things, and yeah. Yeah. Oh, this morning is wet. My feet are cold. Ow! Oh, these pine cones are sharp. Look at that now. Wow. Huh. Time to make some tea and eat a bar. Oh yeah. So like carrot cake. Bullet traveling and make. Why did we decide to go camping? Oh, that's unpleasant. Oh, my feet. Oh my God. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Cheers, mate. Oh.
Look at that. Oh! Oh, can you start to see the hill, dude?
What?
The hill is there.
Yeah.
It's kind of disappearing, but tell an important talking piece. All right. Wow, it's nice and clean.
Oh,
Thumbs up.
Yeah, so we went and we hiked and we camped, and it wasn't nearly as crappy as I was anticipating because it didn't rain when we were setting up that bad, and it didn't rain when we were taking down that bad, and the car's only like a mile away, so that was all the good. And the bad was that there was no way we're gonna get a fire going. We didn't even really try because it's too wet, but my potatoes remain uncooked for another day, so there you go.
This is Luke and California. She's it. Oh God, I hate YouTubers that do that. Bye.